Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change profile image in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. Let's go. So first of all, you have to go to your search bar and search for sign. So now here you can see sign in options. Click on it. You can see here your local account. If you want to change your profile image, then click on it. Here you can see your info. If you want to change your profile image, then you have to go to choose a file and click on browse files. You have to select your picture. So this is how I have changed my profile image in laptop. So guys, this is how you can change your profile image in laptop. That's it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.